ये है रेडियो मानो 90.0 FM। चलो बात करके देखते हैं।
Let's listen to Chronicles of the Past.
Hi and welcome, dear listeners. This is Radio Manu 90.0 FM. I'm your host and RJ Himanjali, welcoming all of you to today's segment of Chronicles of the Past, where I bring for you facts and events of significance that have taken place on the same dates in history. Today is the 30th of June and the facts are as follows. Firstly, in the year 1905, Albert Einstein shook the world of science with his theory of special relativity. He submitted his paper on June the 30th in what would later be called his miracle year. In it, he revealed that time and space aren't fixed and that the speed of light is the ultimate limit. It was a moment that changed the way we see the universe forever. Moving on to literature, Gone with the Wind by Margaret Mitchell was published on June 30th in the year 1936. Set during the American Civil War and Reconstruction, it follows Scarlett O'Hara's struggle to survive and adapt. The novel became an instant bestseller, won the Pulitzer Prize in the year 1937, and inspired the classic 1939 film. Lastly, and on a more somber note, on June 30th in the year 1908, a massive explosion occurred over Siberia's Tunguska River. Caused by an asteroid or comet fragment exploding in the atmosphere, it flattened 2,000 square kilometers of forest. The blast released energy 1,000 times that of the Hiroshima bomb, Earth's largest recorded impact event. This day is also observed as World Asteroid Day. आज के लिए बस इतना ही दोस्तों. I will be back with more interesting facts and discussions. But before I go, I'd like to ask all of you to please purchase bus and rail tickets before getting on and kindly give up your seats for women and the elderly. Till then, keep listening to Radio Manu 90.0 FM. चलो बात करके देखते हैं.
आप सुन रहे थे Chronicles of the Past.